Hi, this is Lezlie with Light Elegance, and we're here to show you how to perform a waterless manicure using Q&Lu Spa Essentials. Q&Lu Spa Essentials offer a unique blend of mint, lavender, basil, and tea tree oil to invigorate, energize, and uplift. Q&Lu also has a cooling effect to reduce fatigue and tension. Q&Lu will detoxify, eliminate dull and dry skin, hydrate, and add a healthy glow without harmful chemicals, artificial dyes, preservatives, or synthetic fragrances. Follow these easy steps to save time and send home happy, healthy clients with every service. Prepare 4 warm washcloths dampened with Q&Lu Salt Soak Solution and a few drops of Q&Lu Spa Oil. Begin your service by removing any color from your client's nails. Wrap the hand in a warm towel and massage until the towel begins to cool. Remove the towel, file and shape the nails, and push back and trim cuticles. Notice how easy it is after soaking in the Q&Lu Salt Soak. Use a few drops of Q&Lu Spa Oil to moisten the hand. Use a nickel-sized amount of Q&Lu Bamboo Polish to massage and exfoliate hand and arm. See how the dead tissue just lifts away? Now wrap the hand in a warm, damp towel and massage. To save time, do both hands at the same time. Using the towel, remove the remaining bamboo polish. Massage a nickel-sized amount of Q&Lu Bamboo Lotion into the hand and arm to hydrate and relax. Clean the nail beds with the LE Pro Cleanser. Repeat this if you are applying gels. Then apply your client's choice of nail color.